fried protein. We have real chicken sandwich. So we have protein, carbs, and Louis. I'm breaking my diet today, so guys, it's okay. You can do it one day, no matter. Okay? And then this is what we're gonna have. A real meal, like a real man eating. You know? And then we have this here, you know, hot fish, hot dog, fried. Who don't like fried? My client like fried. Ice cream. Huh? Come on. Huh? Ice cream. What else? Burger. Oh, so good. Wings. Ice cream. Oh my God. And then you see, only $10, you know, just 10, oh my God, 6 wings. Guys, come over here and enjoy that plate. Oh my God, fish sandwich. Fish sandwich, only $6? Come on, that's nothing. Huh? Chili cheese fry. Oh, that's so good. This can give you 6-pack in 2 days. Chili cheese fry for $5. Oh my God, this is the best thing. I love this truck. I love it. I just love the truck. I just love this truck. Oh my God, look at this. Huh? So good. Huh? She's fried. Can you hear that? Huh? Fries. This is the best thing ever. Enjoy it. All right, my friend. Yay! Here we go. I have my grilled chicken sandwich. Look at this. And that's my friend right there who made it. Yes, what's your name, bro?
JC.
JC, this is the man.
All right. Hope y'all enjoy that.
Yeah, we will. Check this out.
Y'all want anything to drink with it?
What do you have? Lemonade?
Well, we got lemonade too. We got fruit punch lemonade and these drinks right here.
What are you saying? Fruit punch lemonade? Yeah! Fruit punch lemonade. And a little ice.
Okay, little ice.
A lot. Yeah, give me 2.
No, one.
Just one. Just one. Fruit punch. Fruit punch lemonade. Jason's gonna give me fruit punch lemonade. And we have here a sister right there. Yay! Check this out. Woo! I know hot, but good. Oh my God. My fingers going. So good, Duran. Duran, you good. Woo! Morning. Thank you. Get this out. One more.
Get on lemonade.
Here we go.
You want a straw?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Oh, that's good. Want some? Let me you one. Yeah. Damn, another one right there. No?
I'm working on it.
That's fine. You don't worry me. One more with my friend right here. Okay? You want one like that? Yeah.
That's okay.
No. I insist. She want the fish. Oh, you want to give her the fish?
I'm going to cut that for it. I'm going to come over.
No.
Man,
They don't.
you better get it. You better get it soon because I'm ready to leave.
Yeah. That's my friend right there.
I
Get
ain't
it
making
now.
no money just wasting time. I'm going somewhere else.
Get
If
it
y'all
now.
want something, you better come now because I'm leaving.
Get it now.
I'm leaving.
That's my friend right there. And give me one for fish more. One more for fish.
Okay.
Yep.
Or chicken.
Fish.
Oh, fish.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it out.
Hey, do you want fries with it too? Fries? Or fish fries?
Everything fried. Everything fried. 6-pack fried. No. Oh yeah. Don't worry. It's a blessing day for you.
Thank you.
Give me back. about you?
Oh, I ended up getting a hot dog.
A hot dog? No. Come on, hot dog. Come on. 3 fish. Another one. Yeah. Hey,
Would you do me the fish sandwich?
the fish sandwich.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Thank you.
Fish sandwich over here. Yep. Another one. Yep. We're hungry today.
What a blessing.
Oh my God, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Special day, you know how nice it is. Yeah.
True that. True that.
Yeah, some hot sauce. Who's this? Yours? You? Here? Who's this? You want hot sauce?
Yes,
You want package or you want me to put it on?
package is fine.
Okay.
They're about the same height.
It's out of here. In the same department? That's real sweet.
Alright, y'all got this.
That is my
Yes,
kind.
yes.
Thank you. Like you said, my present for the day. And I'll be blessed
Yes.
Don't
over
forget
that.
to give them the praise.
Yes.
Always.
That's right.
Always.
Compliment.
Where my fish sandwich?
Oh, you didn't, I didn't know you.
Yeah, he said it.
One more.
You gonna eat it now?
Oh, yeah.
Stay outside and eat it. You gonna take it back in there? Oh, okay. Well, I told she know where I am. She can wait till I get there. She can wait till I get back. How is it? Crispy? Yes.
Yeah. Give me fish. Woo! Having fun.
You
No.
going back in there to finish doing salsa?
We're done for today.
You done?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at this. How you get it now? Oh!
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Give me one more.
Hey.
Yeah, the fry. Yeah, the fry. I'm not done yet. You know, I'm not done yet. Look at me. I haven't eaten anything. 6 pack. It's gonna be gone, but it's okay. It's fine. Good job with my fish. Wait. Woo! Hear that? Can you hear that? Making more noise.
Yes, sir.
Fish sandwich. Okay. Woo! Woo! This is the best truck ever. Here we go. Come on, Jason.
Yeah.
Make it work. Yep. Hey! That's my friend right there.
Oh, get it right here. Give it.
Stop again. Do you love it?
Right here.
Oh yeah. Take your time. Enjoy it. Whoa! Wait. This is
Watch that truck right there. Watch that truck.
Oh my God! And this is for who? For Luis?
Got your fish sandwich? Right here.
Oh. Okay.
You want me to put hot sauce on it?
No, I'll take care of that.
Okay.
That's good. Here we go. Three, four, five, six, waiting for his fries. You see that? You see, I'm blessing you, you know what I mean? I'm blessing your business now. Yeah. Yeah, another one. Come on, yeah, come on, get it. Come on. It's coming. Yay. What do you want?
I'm thinking a burger.
Burger?
Yeah.
Okay, burger with chicken burger or
Beef.
beef. Oh, that's my girl right there with beef. Bang. Beef. See, right here. Yep.
I like it well done.
Well done. Okay. This is on me too. Okay. This one is on me too. Oh yeah. Are you kidding me? I bring all those people together today. It's a blessing day. Who is Spain? LG Fitness.
Oh, is that the fish?
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
that sounded good, but I'm taking it inside. I didn't want to smell up everybody.
That's fine.
Now this your fish flap.
Woo!
You want ketchup and stuff?
Ah, cacho, yeah, cacho. Yeah. Dirty. Nasty.
Look at that. Woo!
Check this out.
You want all over or in
Oh
the corner?
yeah, all over. Yeah. That's it.
And here's spoon right here.
Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you. Woo! Here we go. Now this is the time when the man becomes a man. Huh? Tell me about it. This is a real fish.
Good.
It's amazing.
Sounded good.
I got you.
You do?
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yep. You wanna try my fish?
No thanks.
Yeah, bro.
I don't want to get my cookies on.
Don't worry. Yeah, wait up. Look at this.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Huh? Good, huh? Woo! This is a real food. I love that. I'm gonna bring one to Rally. Rally, get ready for one of those. Wait, engine cleaner right there. Woo! My God. Go. Woo! Rally, you want some? Take it. Check it out. Woo! This is good. After any workout, lot of protein right here.
I'll have to watch for JC's catering at some other locations.
Oh yeah.
Now I'll know when I see it that I need to stop and get some.
Right away. Hey Jason, give me how much I owe you?
Let me figure it out.
Yeah. Take your time, don't worry. Don't rush. We have time. Woo! The first day for Luis. Today. Dancing, eating. So, with this bite, I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye.
Bye.